Jacob, how's the satellite repair coming along?
It's taking longer than I expected. I'm trying to charge up B-Bot as we speak. I think I know the answer. Whoops. Whoops again. That's it. Me and number lines are no longer friends anymore. I can't seem to get these instructions right. Without enough of a charge, B-Bot won't activate to repair the satellite. What am I gonna do now? So annoying.
How about we walk through the problem together?
Thanks. I could really use the help.
Okay, recruits, let's help Jacob understand how to solve using number lines. This way, he can repair the satellite and move on to the next mission. All right, Jacob. Here's our first equation. Let's break this down and solve for the missing number. Are you ready?
Ready!
First, let's bring up our equation that we're trying to solve. Oh, and let's bring up our number line. Since we're subtracting 8 from 13, let's place a counter at the number 13 on the number line. Let's move our counter back 8 steps on the number line to find the answer. Count back from 13 with me until the counter reaches 0. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. All we did was place our counter at the number 13 on the number line. Since we are subtracting 8 from 13, we moved our counter back 8 times from 13 on the number line to find our answer.
Wow, that totally makes sense.
Looks like our next challenge is here. Let's break this equation down and find our answer so we can charge up B-Bot. This satellite won't repair itself, you know? Okay. First things first, let's pull up our equation. Let's also bring up our number line to help us solve for the missing number. Since we're going to be subtracting 7 from 23, let's place the counter at the number 23 on the number line. Next, let's count back from 23 until the counter reaches 0. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. So as you see, Jacob, our answer is 16. By placing the counter on the number 23, we subtract by moving the counter back 7 points on the number line, which lands the counter on 16.
One more challenge, Myla. Can you help me solve this last equation to charge up B-Bot and repair the satellite?
Totes! Let's do it! Okay, let's break this down. Let's bring up our equation. Let's also bring up the number line to help us solve for the missing number. Since we're subtracting 10 from 21, let's place our counter at 21 on the number line. Then we'll subtract by counting back 10 points on the number line to find our answer. Ready? 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11.
I might actually end up continuing my friendship with number lines after all.
There you have it. 21 minus 10 equals 11. Jacob, the number line is your friend. Just remember, when adding numbers, jump the counter forward. When subtracting numbers, jump the counter back.
Copy that. Everything makes sense now. Let's charge up B-Bot.